Hello, dear traders and investors. The information and analytical service is in touch with you, GURU.Markets. Let's start with summary information about the company. A little further, we will study each parameter in more detail. If you want, you can pause it. You can look at each indicator of the corporation being studied in more detail. Now let's compare the current fundamental indicators of the company, the Kraft Heinz Company, ticker KHC. This review is based on data as of July 13, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Kraft Heinz Co. belongs to the subcategory semi-finished food. 40 organizations take part in the comparison. The overall result for the company under study is as follows: 6 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.4 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the stock market as a whole, we see that the average result for the stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the company's score of 6, Kraft Heinz Company. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, Kraft Heinz Co. and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares, the Kraft Heinz Company, showed a dynamics of minus 15%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory 1%. Market capitalization of the company, the Kraft Heinz Company, amounts to $32.13 billion. With a market capitalization of $224 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $49.41 billion. With a balance sheet capitalization of $120 billion, the subcategory is worth $120 billion. Having compared the shares of the stock exchange and book value, we can see the following. Occupied share Kraft Heinz Co. in the subcategory in case of stock market valuation is 14.376%. The book value is 41.298%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debts amount to $21.747 billion. Financial liabilities to book value account for 44% of the company's equity. Company debt level rating, good, 1 point. The company's stock price to earnings ratio is 12.1. With an average for the subcategory of 20.6. Market value to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profit for the last 12 months was $2,656 million. The forecast profit for the next 12 months is preliminary $3,155 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 1.3. Average for the subcategory is 1.3. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $25,440 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is provisionally estimated at $29,470 million. Assessment of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 10.4%, with an average of 6.2% in the subcategory. Sales profitability assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of personnel numbers in the subcategory is 8.237%. This is 75% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $892,000, while for the subcategory, it is $511,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is $73,800. Average in the subcategory, $24,900. Evaluation of profit per individual employee compared to indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee are $707,000. In the subcategory, $403,000. Sales per employee score compared to companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 4.5% compared to the subcategory average of 5.6%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 58% for the company Kraft Heinz Company. In the subcategory, this level is approximately 48%. The company's actual share price is approximately $27.13. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $28.99. Let's look at the order table. It is available. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions this season by the information and reference system of evaluation GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of securities, the Kraft Heinz Company. Information and reference system for stock evaluation GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Do not open an order, as the current video is a review. Thank you all very much for watching to the end and for using the information system. GURU.Markets.